Hey, what's up everybody? I just wanted to make this quick video to show you the results of my work from getting 10 inquiries removed off of the credit report in less than 30 days. As you can see, this is not something that's photoshopped. This is, from Equifax. I'm not going to show you the personal information, but when you see this on the return letter, it could either come back as your dispute can come back as deleted, verified as reported, or updated. And then as you can see, there's 10 inquiries. So when you see these 4 arrows, that's each line item. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So as you can see, first one, Fifth Third Bank, and you all see where it says deleted. This item has been deleted, deleted. This item has been deleted. This item has been deleted. This item has been deleted, deleted. You get the message, you see it. Everything showing up as deleted. Like I said, this was less than 30 days. Sent out a dispute, and first round, all 10 inquiries were removed. And like I said, you always want it to come back as deleted, because if it comes back as verified as reported, that means your dispute failed and it came back and they're not taking it off. If it comes back as updated, it's the same thing, but it's just they may change the information a little bit depending on what's in your credit report. So deleted is the only answer that you want from your dispute. And something that's very important that I need you to really understand what I'm about to say is that when you're sending in these disputes, you have to nail it on the first round. If you don't, then the last chance you probably have is the second round. And the reason why I say this is because so many people are using the same letters and they're sending it out to the credit bureaus, and they're not realizing that hundreds of thousands of disputes go out to the bureaus every single day. So it goes through this computerized system that recognizes patterns, that recognizes the same type of letters, same type of verbiage, everything is the same. And so when they see that, it automatically rejects it. So you have to be creative in your approach. You got to try new things and in order to reach some success. So that's very important to know. So I know a lot of people want to do things themselves, and that's fine. I think it's great to do things yourself, but you got to do it the right way. And so this is an example of doing it the right way. This is the first dispute, the first round of disputes. In around 2 weeks, all 10 inquiries removed. In case you don't know, inquiries account for 2 to 5 points off of your credit score. So if you have 10 inquiries, and if it comes out to 2 points per inquiry, you're talking about 20 points coming off your credit. Or if it goes up to 5, then you're talking about 50 points off of your credit from having 10 inquiries. So you want to nail this. You want to get it right the first time around. And if you don't get it on the second round, you got to wait around 6 months for the whole system to kind of, sort of reboot itself and reset. But you can't keep hammering away at the bureaus thinking that they're going to change their mind. It's sort of like the definition of insanity is like you can't keep doing the same thing expecting different results. So I just wanted to show this to you to show you that it's still possible to get these results. And like I said, I wish you success on your credit repair endeavors. But like I said, you have to do things the right way. Be on the lookout for the ebook where I'm going to show you my way of doing things, and you can do it yourself and have the power in your own hands to get results. Okay, take care and have a great day.